If only I knew this about day trading 10 years ago when I was a newbie. I wouldn't get lost in the market with all its assets, trends and trading hours. I wouldn't get hopeless seeing my money drain away and lose all my motivation to keep going. I wouldn't quit. Welcome to the Olymp Trade channel. I'm Gasper and I'm gonna share with you what I learned about day trading so that you can make it work right from the start. Let's go. What is day trading? It's a trading approach within which you capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. You identify trends to find entry and exit points throughout the day. So simply put, when you day trade, you open and close trades on the same day. By the way, the real-time market signals shared by our experts in our Telegram channel can help you easily find those entry and exit points. Go check them out, the link is in the description. So why do I think you should go for day trading? Because it's comfortable and efficient at the same time. On the one hand, you don't have to test your patience waiting days and weeks for your trades to close, as you would with swing trading. On the other hand, you don't have to test your sanity closing 60 trades in 60 seconds, as you would with scalping. You want to know what scalping is and how you can do it in an amazing way? Watch the video. So day trading is basically relaxed enough for you to chill out, but also dynamic enough to let you see your gains before you go to sleep. Did you know that trading affects your sleeping habits? I'm joking, but anyway, good night's sleep is a very important thing, including for trading. Speaking about important things, what is most important in your life? Please share in the comments. I want to learn your life priorities too. To me, it's my family and my job. So if you're kind of like me, I'd say to make day trading work, you have to set aside your work and family hours first. And the rest will be when you can comfortably focus on trading. Take that as a basis to make a healthy schedule and stick to it. That will help you stay consistent within your affordable time limits. Now, time frames are crucial. Use H1 and H4 to see the larger picture. 10-minute to 30-minute for tactical view, and 1 minute to 5 minutes for precise decision making. This will help you identify the trends you need, and that's the key to day trading. If you are a real newbie, start with the demo to learn how everything works under real market conditions and develop disciplined trading habits. Set a daily profit and loss limit to stop trading once you've reached the profit goal, or stop losing money if you're in the red. Don't get distracted by the abundance of trading assets available on the platform. Instead, choose a few and learn them to make their price movements more predictable. It'll be ideal if you choose those with high liquidity to ensure smooth price movement and quick execution. Next, always, and I mean always, use stop loss to cut potential losses on each trade. And make sure no trade takes more than 3 to 5% of your deposit. Use appropriate position sizing. Now, don't chase the numbers. Better make few high probability trades than many risky ones. That's quality over quantity. Also, if you've made a bad trade, don't try to revenge and quickly recover the money from the market. Better leave it all, go have some tea, relax, then come back into trade. That's discipline. Finally, use everything Olymp Trade has to help you. Prepare for trading and use the trading mechanic you most like. The links to these videos are in the description. Go check them out. Actually, I know a lot of things and I can share with you a lot of information on this topic. Would you like me to? Share in the comments, share your thoughts, like the video, and I'll get back to you with part 2 and technical tips for day trading.